Hey Booze, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Let's keep the family growing. You might be wondering why your girl is hella sweaty. I was working out today and I realized I don't have any free weight. So I was like, wait a minute. We just bought like 20 million rolls of toilet paper. So I thought, brain blast. Stay tuned.
You can't rock with us, I can't rock fitters. I don't cap with them, I see fake on them. The ice look fake on them, but fuck this flow. I got you Drake on them. Bitch don't follow me, I don't want my cheese. Money be the villain, I'm still gobbling on my green. They like, ooh, down, lock you like a beaver. Yellow fellow, he just need a beamer. Or a chick like Rita. She wanna get wild, 10 o'clock she bust it down. Showing me she with the bounce, on me she got me like wow. Knowing she give me a smile, walking on square like a towel. I gotta wrap it up now, meet her at 8, I'm dropping them out. They just wanna get closer to me, getting colder to me. You ain't no one to me. They won't fuck me over my team, way too cautious and we too sober to leave at 10 o'clock, feeding for the guap. I be beaming, losing balance, yo bitch falling on my yacht. They're like, what? Smell like genius, that's my Elon Musk. 10 o'clock, and it's PM, being patient with my buzz. I got me a check, pray that bitch don't bounce. I got me a plot to go and cut my mama house. I got too much on my plate to look you up and down. I got booted out the school, you zooted off an ounce. And a few months to see, I'm on my way, tuning my frequency. Shutting my neck gon' freeze, money put me at ease. Wanna go get my cheese, I ain't gon' need ID. They just wanna get closer to me, getting colder to me. You ain't no one to me. They won't fuck me over my team, way too cautious and we too sober to leave at 10 o'clock.
Don't make me laugh, this is serious.
Toilet paper workout.
And when you sweat, you just use the toilet paper to wipe down. Thank you so much for watching. Love your latte. Bye, Booze. This is an activity for the whole family. Tout le monde can faire. Everybody can do this. The babies, the toddlers, the grown kids, the little kids, the big kids, the adults, the men adults, the women adults, the big girls, the fat girls, the small girls, the skinny girls, the short girls, the tall girls. As long as you went to the store and got TP before it ran out. If you don't have TP, then you're shit out of luck. Touch it! Go, 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 go! Go, touch it! Go! Go, go, go! Faster, faster, faster! Go, 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 go!